Hi there. I am so excited that you're here today, and I cannot wait to share the Success Code principles with you. This is the first in a video series in which I'm going to present each one of the principles in small pieces. I did that for a very specific reason. You are an incredibly busy business owner. You don't have time to read pages and pages of documentation. So what I've done is given these in very small bite-sized pieces that you're going to be able to act upon right away. But before we get into that, I wanted to share just a little bit more. By now you know that I started doing research in 2011 and I talked to over 50 business owners. I just want you to know I didn't start out to write a book. I didn't know what I was going to find out. It really was out of my own curiosity that I wanted to know what made some business owners successful during the recession while so many others failed and went out of business. So as I started having those conversations, I did find that there were 9 principles that kept coming up over and over and over again. And that's how really the Success Code came to be. Now, when you hear these 9 principles, I think your first reaction may be, well, those seem pretty simple. They're not really all that complicated. And you'll be right about that. Each of them individually are not that spectacular, but together is what I think makes them remarkable. I think of this like a metaphor, like a vault. And in that vault, okay, is everything that you think is success. It could be time off with family. It could be financial security, a bigger company that you wanted to build. Whatever success looks like to you, it's inside of that vault. But in order to get at it, you need to have one thing, and that's the combination. And I truly believe that after all of my research, this is the combination to that lock. These 9 principles, when focused on and executed, can be the difference between failure and success for your business. So again, over the next 9 days, I will be sharing with you each day a very short video, 2 to 5 minutes, about each one of the principles and best practices that you're going to be able to act upon right away that can have a huge impact on your business. Now, in the meantime, I've also included on this page the Success Code cheat sheet. It's all 9 of the principles, and it even gives you an opportunity to be able to rank yourself as to how well you think you're doing on each one of the 9 of them. And then as we go along, you'll learn a little bit more about each one again, and we'll dive in just a little bit deeper to give you a better idea about them. So in the meantime, have a great rest of the day, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow morning.